Boost your shop's efficiency with Ercolina's TC models. In this video, we'll show you how to easily recall and modify saved programs, giving you the flexibility to adapt to new jobs on the fly. We'll switch from Epic Designs to another saved program. Hit the Home icon. Then the Program icon. Release the drop-down menu. Select the program you want to call. Press the paper icon, and after that loads, press the checkmark icon. You can now edit your saved program. Press the field you want to edit, and replace it with your correction. Go back to the programming screen. Save your edits. Press the paper icon, then the check mark. Go back to the home screen. Press the repeat bends icon. Here you see we've called up the program handrail and changed the first bend to 110 degrees.